Hi there. In this video, I am going to introduce a web app that is developed for medical labs. This application is built using Angular Material, Node.js, and MongoDB. So let me introduce you what feature I have provided in this application. So I have a super admin login. So let's log in as a super admin. So you can see here the multiple tabs, dashboard, the user, and location. So let's start with location. So every lab can have a multiple branches over the country. So we have to register a location for that branch. So let's say the location is California, and let's put the code here CAL01, and the phone number is 0211, and then the fax is 012. Position is, let's say, MyCuber, and then the address is, let's say, this one, Street 1, Los Angeles. So now the location is registered, and now we have to assign a user to that location. So let's come up to this tab and create a user. Let's say this user, and the email is, phone number is this one, the password is this one, and then we will assign the newly created location, the California, and then the role is, let's say, primary network manager. So there are few restrictions on that roles. So let's select this one and click on submit. Now the user is registered, you can see here, and let's come to the locations. So when the location is created, a unique QR code or a unique link is generated for that location. So when the patient comes to that lab, he will scan this code or will directly access this link, and a form will appear to that patient, a form that will take data of that patient. In first step, the data is personal, and in the second step, it's basically the insurance data. So the user fill up this form, and then all the records will shown up here. So for the super admin, the records of all the locations are showing up, but let's log in as a newly created user. So let me access this one. And so this is the new user we have created. The password was this one. Let's sign in. So now you can see here, this user can not add locations because the location tab is not here, and this user cannot edit himself, but he can create further users for his lab. And then on the dashboard he can view only the patients that comes to that lab. So this is how I have applied the restrictions. So you can see here on this page, there is a multiple data showing up there, like the status of the test and what was the test, the client name, and other information related to that patient. So the admin can select multiple of them and then send emails or export the result to CSV. Moreover, the user can filter the records according to his needs. Let's say he want to filter the records of that client. So click on filter, and you can see here the two records for that one, and the status is final. So similarly, he can also filter the records using the status, let's say pending, and click or. So these are the features provided for that application. Moreover, we can also create the tests as much as we want, and then this form will automatically be updated according to the test. So so that's it.